how to fix UK immigration ID check app not working on your iPhone. So if you want to fix your UK immigration ID check app not working on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your app store. Now, from your app store, you need to go with your search and then search for UK immigration ID check. Once you do that, if you have any updates on your application, you just need simply go and update it. You'll have update instead of this get option. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Or if not, you need to go back and then open up your settings. Now, from settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with general. Under general, you need to go with iPhone storage. And here, you'll find the application which is UK immigration ID check. Once you find the application, you need to tap on it and then go with offload app. After offloading the application, you will find the option of reinstall app. You need to just simply go and reinstall it. And after reinstalling, your problem might be fixed. But even after reinstalling, if it's not fixed, then you need to make sure that you are entering the correct information while logging in or while installing the application. Make sure that it's the official UK immigration application. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.